Cut the nano tape into size 2.5 cm, multiple 10 cm. Clean the stainless plate surface with alcohol. Roll the nano tape firmly on the stainless plate with a roller. Keep it aside for 20 minutes. Paste the nano tape on the stainless steel door. Test is the bearing capacity of 2 kg. Stick the nano tape firmly on the brick surface with roller. Keep it aside for 20 minutes. Paste the nano tape on the steel plate door. Test is the bearing capacity of 2 kg. Clean the glass surface with alcohol. Roll the nano tape firmly on the glass surface with a roller. Keep it aside for 20 minutes. Paste the nano tape on the steel plate door. Test is the bearing capacity of 2 kg. Dirty the nano tape. Clean the nano tape by water and dry it. Stick the nano tape on the glass window. Test its bearing capacity. It still works.